American novelist Sherwood Anderson, author of Winesburg, Ohio, one of my favorite books of all time, worked as an advertising executive in Chicago until he was 41 years old. When he finally decided to pursue writing full-time, he handed in the following resignation letter to his publisher. Chicago, June 25, 1918. Dear Barton, you have a man in your employ that I have thought for a long time should be fired. I refer to Sherwood Anderson. He is a fellow of a good deal of ability, but for a long time I have been convinced that his heart is not in his work. I think he should be fired, and if you will not do the job, I should like permission to fire him myself. I therefore suggest that Anderson be asked to sever his connections with the company on August 1st. He's a nice fellow. We'll let him down easy, but let's can him. Respectfully submitted, Sherwood Anderson.